I am free, I am free. No, I'm holding a grudges against you. That's why I'm free. Freedom, it's a part of me.
May peace be upon you all. Today's video is going to be a smoothie bowl recipe because I always get questions like, Medina, how do you make your smoothie bowls? Could you make a smoothie bowl for me? Or could you send me the recipe through text? Enough with the rambling though. Let's just get started.
I am free, I am free. No,
For the first smoothie bowl, I'll be making a strawberry sundae. And for that, you'll need dates, almond milk, and strawberries. It's best to blend your dates and almond milk first so that you will not have chunks throughout your smoothie bowl. Trust me, you do not want that. Once that's blended, add your strawberries to that mixture. I like to chop it first so that it doesn't get stuck, and then I blend until smooth. The key to a thick smoothie bowl would be less liquid and frozen fruit. If you use too much liquid or you don't use frozen fruit, your smoothie bowl will turn out watery. For the toppings, I'm just adding peanuts and cacao nibs for that strawberry sundae vibe. But honestly, you can experiment with whatever you like. For the second smoothie bowl, I'll be making a Pitaya dragon fruit bowl. And for that, you'll need dates, almond milk, dragon fruit, and tropical fruit. For this smoothie bowl, the liquid base would be the same as the strawberry sundae, except this time I'll be adding a dragon fruit packet. Add the tropical fruit, don't forget to chop, and then blend until smooth. Another tip for a thick smoothie bowl would be not to overblend. If you overblend, you'll have a watery smoothie bowl, and ain't nobody got time for cold soup. For the toppings, I'm just adding coconut flakes along with cashews.
You're the reason that I'm free now, and I pray for you. Freedom, it's a part of me. Freedom, now I know what freedom tastes.
For the third smoothie bowl, I'll be making an acai bowl. For that, you'll need dates, almond milk, acai berry, and tropical fruit. Add the tropical fruit to the acai liquid base, and as always, don't forget to chop first and then blend until smooth. Another tip to making a thick smoothie bowl would be, if your smoothie bowl turns out watery, just add more fruit and it should turn out thick. For the toppings, I've added coconut flakes, mixed nuts, and chia seeds. And if you haven't noticed by now, yes, I love me some coconut flakes.
my wings, yes you clipped it. I couldn't walk, I couldn't crawl. It's so funny that I left it. Oh yeah.
That's it for this video. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you've tried this recipe, feel free to take a picture, upload it on Instagram, tag me, and hashtag it Medina Bowl, because I would love to see your results. With that said, may peace be upon you all.
I am free, I am free. No, I'm holding a grudge against you. That's why I'm free.